Bird and Kip, Episode 71, Serious Kip. Bird flew over the park. She saw Kip standing on the path. He wore a hat and a badge. He had a whistle. Kip looked very serious. Bird flew down.
What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm a police officer,
Said Kip.
Ha ha!
Bird laughed.
You're not a police officer, Kip. Yes, I am,
Said Kip.
Watch this.
A woman ran on the path. Kip blew his whistle.
Slow down,
He said. The woman ran past Kip.
She didn't hear me.
Said Kip. A boy rode a bike on the path. Kip blew his whistle again.
Slow down.
Said Kip. The boy rode past Kip. Kip frowned. A girl dropped a bag in the grass.
No littering.
Yelled Kip. But the girl didn't even look at him.
Oh,
Kip sighed.
you're right, Bird. I'm not a police officer.